Try to conceive with PCOS, natural support with TCM. Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. I'm Li Huang here on behalf of GinSen, one of the London's leading traditional Chinese clinics. Whether you're trying to conceive or manage hormone balance or just explore natural options for PCOS, you're in the right place. GinSen has been at the forefront of women's health for over 25 years. In Lang, we specialized in acupuncture, herbal therapy, and holistic wellness, with a strong focus on fertility and hormone balance. What sets us apart is our commitment to personalized care and traditional wisdom, blended with modern insight. And the best part, you do not need to be in London to work with us. We offer online consultation globally with support available 7 days a week. What's PCOS and how is it traditional treatment or treatment in Western medicine? Let me tell you. Let's begin by understanding how PCOS is viewed in Western medicine. PCOS is polycystic ovary syndrome, affects around 1 in 10 women in the UK. According to the NHS, it includes irregular period or absent ovulation, high level of androgens, male hormone, enlarged ovaries, contain undeveloped follicles. Western approaches often focus on symptoms management. Doctors may recommend birth control to regulate periods, ovulation induction medications if you are trying to conceive, or even surgical procedures like ovary during in certain cases. While those methods can be helpful in the short term, many women find themselves cycling through medication without addressing the root imbalance. That's why traditional Chinese medicine offers a valued complementary perspective. How TCM views PCOS. Now let's shift gears and explore how PCOS is understood in traditional Chinese medicine, a system that has helped women regulate their cycles and reach fertility naturally for thousands of years. TCM doesn't treat PCOS as one fixed condition, fixed medicine, fixed supplement. Instead, we look for patterns of imbalance within the body. Think of your health like a garden. If the soil is dry, the drainage is poor, there is not enough sunlight, plants wouldn't survive. Your body works the same way. The 3 most common patterns we often see in PCOS at clinic. Number 1, kidney deficiency. The kidney are seen as the root of reproductive energy. When there deficiency, whether in yin or yang, it disturbs ovulation and menstruation. Yin deficiency might show as a thin uterine line or short periods. Yang deficiency may present as fatigue, cold hand and feet, or delayed absent period or absent ovulation. Number 2, phlegm-damp accumulation, often stemming from a weak spleen system. This pattern results in poor fluid mechanism. It can lead to bloating, weight gain, water retention, insulin resistance, and the formation of cycles. Number 3, liver qi stagnation or blood stasis. Emotion stress and long-term tension can block the liver qi, which over affects blood flow. You might experience the painful periods, mood swing, or signal of inflammation. Recognizing which pattern is most dominant is key to choose the right treatment planning. TCM Therapies for PCOS. Let's look at how does it doing it. At GinSen, your treatment planning is tailored to your individual pattern. Here are some of the main therapies we used. Acupuncture helps regulate putiland. This is problems, reduce the inflammation and improve blood flow to reproductive organs. It can lower LH, FSH level by 30 to 40% in some cases in 6 weeks. Chinese herbal medicine, herbal blended are customized to your needs, whether it's tonified kidney qi, restore dampness, or move liver qi. They are usually taken daily and adjusted as your cycle improved. Cupping therapy is especially useful for women experiencing excessive stress, bloating, or fatigue. It helps dissipate dampness and stagnation from the lower abdominal area, creating better flow and balance in the reproductive system. Clinical outcomes speak for themselves. Menstrual regularity improved into 82% of clients during 6 weeks to 2 months. When combined with Western care, TCM raised pregnant rate from around 32% to reach 65 to 70%. These therapies are not just symptoms control. They help us bring the body back to place of nature. That means we focus root of cause. Nutrition tips for PCOS are so essential. In GinSen, if you start a treatment, we are therapists, we are doctors, we are right nutrition, list planning, and lifestyle exercise. Nutrition plays a crucial role in the TCM. We see food as medicine, a way to nourish the organs, and shift in internal imbalance situation. What to eat? Listen, is warm cooked food like stews and soups support the digestion system, reduce the dampness. These blood nourishing options like beetroots, leaf greens, and goji berries help improve menstrual health. Omega-3 from salmon, flaxseed, and walnut and reduce the inflammation. Red meat is key. This is food which improve iron level to improve blood nutrition, hormone nutrition, and also lower GI carbs like sweet potato or brown rice help keep blood sugar level in stability. Spicy like ginger, cinnamons add warmth to aid metabolism to bring blood circulation. What to avoid? Remember that cold raw food that weaken digestion system, slow down blood circulation. Sugary or processed items that feed internal dampness, gain weight, bloating gas, dairy and greasy food which can worsen the hormone imbalance and like build up is your weight and slow down your digestion system. Excess caffeine and alcohol that stress liver qi-free moment, so eating with awareness, in turn with your body need. That season is one of the easy way, most effective way to support a hormone balance. So for you, if you're really serious to think, take an opportunity from alternative medicine, Chinese medicine, to treat your PCOS or PCOS linked with infertility is best opportunity. Not worry, even you are not in London, you still can submit online consultation form. We are expert team to with you. When you submit online consultation form, we are expert team first engaged with email, proper consultation, explanation, what is happening, what reason caused your situation, how Chinese medicine to help you. The second team will be call you to set up face-to-face consultation, further collect your information to make your personalized planning. So that's very, very important. Then when you start treatment, if you are overseas outside London, of course, you have herbal tea, herbal supplement. During your treatment in 24/7, if you have questions, you can text message from WhatsApp. We will back to you. So that is pretty. And so, however, that's where team is always have this determined to help people is willing learning traditional Chinese medicine, willing from traditional Chinese medicine way to build up your awareness. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more natural wellness guidance. You can also follow us on social media at GinSen London. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to support you on your journey to better health with TCM way. Thank you.